you're talking about.
Go! What are you guys doing?
Hello, everybody. Hey, what are you guys here for? This is what we're here for. Look, the Abraham. He's right here. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Guys, I have a blueberry. Can I give me a blueberry?
Nên lấy từ của ta hà đó nè. Ta cho chị bỏ ai ít lo. Giờ này sao bao chờ đó cho tụi bé nó. Được. Tụi nó cho bé kế tua. Tụi nó tụi cho bé kế tua đó. Tụi nó. Thế tụi nó cũng rất khéo nè. Nếu tôi ở Alaska, giờ thì sao phải nuôi dê, sao tôi chia nó đây chỉ bỏ, bà đen dê rồi chúng tôi dai nó tôi à. Cái sẽ tên mình nhỏ, tên mình nhỏ nó ta ở đây chỉ bỏ lần điều.
Nếu thì tôi mà tôi ý chọc lời.
Ê, thế sao thì nhỏ cho nó thế tôi nãy nó này lo, nếu chuyện gì cả tôi, nếu chuyện cả come on. Hey, come on this side, son.
Bé tôi lấy chỉ bỏ.
Can I see the blueberries?
Yes. Look, Abraham.
Cô tôi chỉ bỏ lấy à.
Look at that.
Từ na.
Oh, these are blueberries.
Từ. Ôi dồi. Bé này con bên đây con chữ đó. Ôi chú chú.
Đây là từ của ta hà đó nè. Ta cho chị bỏ ít lo.
Lấy từ.
Đến đây sao? Có chơi đó cho tụi.
Oh, over there, Amy, on that side. Pick it right there, Blossom. Ooh. Ooh, look at these. Mama, đây bên nào mình sai? Right here. Right here.
Hey, come on, what are you doing? Come on. Come on, let me take a picture of you.
Just taking some blueberries.
Picking blueberries? These are wild blueberry.
Can I go like 1,000?
How's the blueberry?
Good and sour.
Sour?
Yeah.
It's gonna go good with oatmeal and cereal. Do you give me permission to put you on my YouTube channel?
Yes.
All right.
Hey, watch me eat all these berries in one bite. Oh no, I dropped some.
So these two boys are here picking blueberries.
I'm eating them.
And then they're gonna gulp it in one bite. This guy, he's eating one at a time. The guy in the red, gonna get a handful. And then he's gonna gulp it down. Try to do a world record. training.
A road rake is like a down, right?
I don't know.
Probably more.
I don't know.
Well, that's your. You can't eat a handful.
How is it?
Is it sour?
Okay. How much you got, girl?
I'm getting the ones a bit accidentally got.
We got these girls picking over here. Careful.
Well, you could tell.
So it's that time of the year where we're gonna be picking berries already, and
Okay.
for us here in Alaska, this is just the time that's telling us that fall is just right around the corner. So we're harvesting some berries, and we're getting ready for our fall season. Hunting is upon us in about 2.5, 3 more weeks. So we're gonna be doing some more outdoor harvesting stuff now. But in the meantime, we are here berry picking. Tôi đây chỉ bỏ nó bé à? Tôi đây chỉ bỏ. Yeah.
Can you eat it?
Your mommy say don't touch. You
Okay,
pick like
how
and back
lười.
and loud.
Để chỉ bỏ nó, để chỉ bỏ xía. Đi tới nhà cho blueberry nó về. Gà đó bị hạ rộng chứ, cho blueberry bên nó mà đau hiểu gà bị hạ rộng chứ chứ. Nhưng mua đồ sữa đời đây đi nữa. Cho chị mì tôi trả dụng thế sát chủ. Chị. Look at Kayla. A lot of them here. This is Kayla. Kayla is picking blueberries.
Yep, and I have 1,000, I think.
You think that's 1,000 already? Nah, I think that might be close to 100.
Okay.
Keep picking. Still got a lot more. Look at all this. Look at all that. Look at all this. Tôi sẽ tụi bé nói chia to bé nói.
Looks like I ripped this one, but I don't care. Okay, I got some.
There's a lot of berry right here. You see that? Over here, yeah, Luna.
It tastes like pepper. What's it?
Hey guys, thank you for joining with us again on our adventure. We did do something different from our couple posts past video. We came out to the woods today and did some berry picking. So until next time, we will see you guys on our next adventure.
Cho nó sống được một số nữa đã chi liêu. Sống bụng gồ liền, mất thông nhẹ thông cú hậu liền. Tụi nó để chia đây chỉ bỏ liều, đặt kia su.
Một khớp cú bói rác bóng à.
Amy, go like it, yeah. Let me see yours. Ooh, good job, Amy. Let me see, Miss Kayla.
I got some here, berry.
Oh yeah, you got a lot. Oh, a lot right there. Tell your mommy to come help you. Ta. Ooh. 이쪽으로 타냐 내 또. 우. 내게 나게.
Okay, good job.
Ayo, mi mày nè, mi cái lại.